Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss a numerical solution of ordinary differential equation, that is initial value problem dy by dx is equal to f of xy by using predictor and correctors method. So it is known as numerical predictor and correctors method. So here first I'll explain what is the situation and how the example will come. Then we'll discuss how these predictor and correctors methods will help us to obtain a numerical solution by using given data. In this we can consider the given differential equation dy by dx, which will be treated as y dash, which is nothing but a function of xy, with a set of 4 predetermined values. 4 predetermined values means we consider the value of y at the rate of x. It will be treated as y of x0 is equal to y0, y of x1 is equal to y1, y of x2 is equal to y2, y of x3 is equal to y3, where x0, x1, x2, x3, these are equally spaced values of x. Equally spaced values of x. With respect to this, we will be getting values for y0, y1, y2, y3. Then the question comes, when we have y0, y1, y2, y3, then what is to be calculated? Its next value. Its next value is nothing but y4. To obtain y4, first we should know what will be the value of x4. Means we are going to calculate the value of y at the rate of x4, that will be y4. x4 will be taken it as, we know that x0, then x1 is nothing but x0 plus h, x2 is nothing but x1 plus h, x3 is nothing but x2 plus h. So x10 will be nothing but x9 plus h. Similarly, x4 is nothing but x3 plus h. But what we do here, everything we start with x0, means initial value of x. So x3 plus h is x4, that is correct. But we want this in terms of x0 plus what it is. So x0 plus 1h will be x1, x0 plus 2h will be x2, x0 plus 3 times h will be x3, then x0 plus 4 times h will be x4. Means x0 plus 4h is x4. Then what is h here? H is nothing but a step length or step size. Fine. In this situation, what is to be calculated? When 4 predetermined values are given, x0, y0, y1, y2, y3 is given, then we need to calculate the value of y4. Y4 means what? The value of y at the rate of x4, that has to be calculated. For this situation, we are having two different methods to obtain numerical solution. One, Milne's predictor and correctors formula, and second one is Adam-Bashforth predictor and correctors formula. First, I'll be discussing what is Milne's predictor and correctors formula. So to obtain an accurate solution for y4, we are using Milne's predictor and correctors formula. What it says, we can see we need y4, but here if you see the notations, we can understand it is y4 prediction and y4 correction. So there will be one value for y4 which will be predicted. Then to check it out whether that predicted value is right or wrong, or it is accurate or not, we go for its corrections. Means after getting correction, we'll come to know whether our prediction is right or wrong, or the result will be in the neighborhood of prediction. Okay. Suppose if we get the prediction is something like 2.4, then its correction will be somewhere near 2.4 only, plus or minus. It will be, means the accurate result can be obtained in the neighborhood of 2.4 like. Fine. So let us see what is the formula. Prediction for y4 is equal to, starts with y0. y0 plus 4 times h by 3 into bracket 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. Here these y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash are nothing but the derivatives for the given value of y1, y2, y3, the differentiation. This is called as Milne's predictors formula. We can see how we need to understand this. We can see 2 minus 1 times y1 to y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash are nothing but derivatives. But if we consider them as same, then it can see 2 minus 1 times, so 1. 1 plus 2 times, so 3. 3 divided by 3 will get cancelled. Fine. Then what remains? y0 plus 4h. y0 plus 4 times h will be y4. So it is correct. Similarly, we go for corrections. What is correction? Correction will be taken as y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. We can see here when it is been taken, you can see 1 times, 4 times, 1 times. So total it is 4 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. Then that is 2 times h. 2 times h plus y2 will be y4. Okay. So this is the way to cross verify the formula whether it is right or wrong. Understood? Means after taking its calculation it should be y4. After taking its calculation it should be y4. y4 only. Okay. Either it is prediction or correction. Sometimes what happens, instead of giving 4 predetermined values, it may be 5, it may be 6 or it may be 7 predetermined values. Then we need a generalization to understand this formula and to go for, instead of y4 we may go for y5, y6, y7 or y8, whatever it is. Okay, for that this is the generalization. So that is yn plus 1 prediction will be equal to yn minus 3 plus 4h by 3 into 2 times yn minus 2 dash minus yn minus 1 dash plus 2 times yn dash. And its correction will be yn minus 1 plus h by 3 into yn minus 1 dash plus 4 times y1 dash plus yn plus 1 dash. Okay, this is the correction. Or else very simple thing is that if it is y4, then if you want y5, then keep on adding one step. So it will become y1, this will become y2 dash, y3 dash, y4 dash. Fine. This is very simple. Then comes another method which will provide a solution to obtain, to calculate y at the rate of x4, that is nothing but y4. This is known as Adam-Bashforth predictor and correctors formula. In this method what we do, similarly same thing, 4 predetermined values will be given. So by using those values we are going to calculate y4 prediction. So y4 prediction is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 55 times y3 dash minus 59 times y2 dash plus 37 times y1 dash minus 9 times y0 dash. Here in Milne's, these derivatives will be in increasing order. Here it will be in decreasing order. So you can see 55 minus 59. So it will be minus 4. Minus 4 plus 37. So that will be 43. 43 minus 4 plus 37. That is 34. 34 minus 9. It will be 35, 24. So 24 will get cancelled. Then it becomes y3 plus h will be equal to y4. It is correct. Similarly, correction to y4 is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 9 times y4 dash plus 19 times y3 dash minus 5 times y2 dash plus y1 dash. 9 plus 19, 28. 28 minus 5, 23. 23 plus 1, 24. 24 divided by 24 get cancelled. Then y3 plus h, y4. So this is the way to, these are the formulas to obtain a numerical solution for initial